Hi guys! Hi, this is Rupal here and welcome to my channel Rups Book Love. Today we are going to discuss about where to get bookish knowledge. But first, do like, share and subscribe to my video and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications whenever I upload a video.
Anywhere you go, you belong.
So, what is bookish knowledge? Now, when you are sitting in a group of people who are readers, then they would be discussing some things like the author is going to release this book in next month, or the other book of the series is going to come out in next year, or anything like that. And you might always wonder that where are they getting all this news? Well, yes, there are many channels through which they can get all the bookish news that they want. But okay, if you don't know about those things, then I'll discuss everything that can be known about getting the perfect bookish knowledge.
Anywhere you go, you belong.
Physical or local locations. For example, you have a library nearby your location, and if you are a member of that library, then any new book or anything like that news you can get from that library, because they are going to put up a notification on the notice board. Or if you are in a book club, then there are many members in the book club, and through those members you can know what are the books that they are going to release next month, or maybe next year, or maybe whenever they want. Now, when you are a part of book club, then you would go to a book club that reads your genre. So there can be common authors, like the authors that you like and the other members like, and all the authors that they are reading. So based on that, you would be able to get all the required knowledge of the books that are going to release. The other thing that can be done is, there are many local newspapers and the magazines are there. Like if you have any language magazines and everything. So all these magazines and newspaper also publish articles about the new books that are going to release next month or next year or anytime. Also they are, they also take up part in many different activities that the author are going to take place because of the promotions. Authors also do promotions like the movie stars and movies, and they also visit library from library or bookstore to bookstore, and they promote their book so that the readers like us would understand what are the books out there and where can we find them and how can we read them. Also, if you visit any local bookstores, then there might be copies over there. If you visit a store and there is a stack over there, and in that stack it is written that newly arrived. So all those books are the books which have been released in the past 1 or 2 months. So if you want a bookish knowledge, then you can go visit your nearby bookstore. They have lined up those books which have won some award, or which are new arrivals, or which have arrived 2 months ago, and all those books are kept over there. And based on that, you can know that what are the books that are coming in the picture right now, later, or you can understand these things and get the required bookish knowledge. But for all these things, all these local and physical things, you will have to stay more active. You have to visit regularly to library firstly, and then any bookstore, and then you will have to keep an eye on all the newspapers, magazine. You may have to subscribe to some magazines and things like that. But these are the basic ways in which you can get the bookish knowledge. You can also get an insight about all the authors, what they are doing and all that stuff. You will just have to go to the notifications thing in your library or your bookstore, and by that you can get all the news.
Anywhere you go, you belong.
Another method to get the bookish news is through virtual platforms. Virtual platforms would include everything that comes on the internet or on the computer. Let's start with social media. Now, social media contains of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and these are the basic things that are included in the social media, and all of them give a notification whenever a new book arrives. Now, the main part is how do you get connected with those things? Facebook and Instagram have many people who read books and they review the books, so you can stay in touch with those people. You can follow them, you can see what they are reading, and they would also give some notifications about the books and things like that. Apart from that, you have to participate in some book clubs. Facebook and Instagram has really good book clubs. In this book clubs, you can participate by reading a book per month, and based on that, if your genre is same and you have the same author, then you might know that when are the new books are coming and what are the main concepts of the books and everything related to the author and the books. Also, there are many YouTube channels, YouTubers, there are many booktubers who have been in this place for many years, and they usually upload a video so that the people can understand what are the new books coming out and what are the books that they recommend for the readers to read. So if you are following some of the basic booktubers, then you would get an idea about this, because they would surely upload anything, and because of that you can understand what are the bookish news. Another virtual way can be using Google. You can search like what are the new books that are released in Google, and then by that way you can find the bookish news. And another thing is blogs. All those YouTubers also have blogs, and also Instagram and all, so they are updating the same thing everywhere. And if you are following the blogs, new releases blogs, then you would be able to stay updated with all those things. So these were very basic virtual platforms where you can know that which books are releasing, but all those virtual platforms will also require some efforts from your side, because you will have to go follow those people and search so that you can understand where are the books and how are they coming and all those things. But okay, let me give you another very easy option, that is Goodreads. I don't know whether you have heard about Goodreads or not. I am going to make a video about what is Goodreads and how does it work. But for now, I'll give you a basic overview of what Goodreads is. Goodreads is a platform similar to social media, but on social media we connect with people and personal updates are there. But on Goodreads you do connect with people, you do follow each other, but that is only and strictly related to books. You're only supposed to post what books you are reading and how much have you finished them, or what are your ratings, or what is your review. Nothing apart from that. You cannot post any personal pictures or any personal thing, nothing, only related to books. Now Goodreads has many books because all the authors are there on Goodreads, all the books are there on Goodreads, and if an author wants to promote their book, then they would firstly go to Goodreads to promote their books. And you can easily find out what books are releasing even if you are not following these authors, and it is by their blog. Yes, Goodreads has their own blog, and that is mentioned on their website itself. And on this blog you can find different things, like every week Goodreads posts a blog in which they say that what are the 7 new books that are going to release this week. Now these 7 new books are the latest hits, or who are reviewed the most, or which are very quite popular because of the popular authors. So they make a list of the 7 books every week, and almost on every Thursday new books are releasing. So Goodreads will notify you with this blog, and by reading this blog you will understand that what are the new books that are releasing in the market. Moreover, Goodreads also performs some author interviews. So if an author is new, if it is their debut novel, then they would obviously give an interview with Goodreads to promote themselves. And through these interviews you can also get an insight into the author's head, and you can understand how they are making this book and how they are publishing this book. Apart from that, Goodreads also conducts an ARC. ARC is Advanced Reader Copy, that the author gives to the reader so that they can give a review before release of the book. So there are many ARCs that takes place on Goodreads, but many are restricted to US or Australia. So I don't know whether, I haven't seen any in which there are Indian participants, but yes, there are many groups like book clubs on Goodreads which are holding this such type of ARCs for all country special authors. So you can join those book clubs, whatever book clubs are suitable for you. I'll discuss 1 or 2 book clubs when I'll make the video for Goodreads. I am part of some of them. So yes, all these things are very useful, and this is the main source from which you can get all the bookish knowledge just by logging into Goodreads. Lastly, the major thing that promotes the book, that gives the ranking for the books, and because of which the books are famous, because of which they earn all the awards, because of which the author gets recognition, is New York Times. Yes, New York Times is a huge newspaper that ranks all the books, and if an author gets a rank in the New York Times bestseller, then they would definitely get a good sales on the books. Now it is very easy to go to the New York Times. They do not provide a notification like Goodreads on a regular basis. You will have to go on the website or an app and check it out yourself. For example, this is the website, and the website has many different tabs. You can select any tab from this one. You can go to the books section, and in the books section there are different things such as non-fiction, fiction, bestseller, and all those things are there. These things you can just have to click over there, and you have to see that what are the books over there, and you can read it further, that what are the bestseller books, what are the best books that you can read, and in this way you can get all the bookish knowledge. So I hope I gave you some idea about how to get bookish knowledge. If you're not a reader, then maybe I might have given you a peek into the little world of the bookish people. So yes, these are all the things that are related to books. There are many people who read the books, and all the people almost who are readers would be a part of all these things: the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, also Goodreads, and also New York Times, and they might know these things. Apart from this, there can be different blogs which I might not know, because they can be personal blogs that people are publishing, and by connecting with different people, you can reach these blogs and you can get all the required bookish knowledge on time. So that is it for today. I hope you liked the bookish knowledge that I shared with you about how to get the bookish knowledge. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the notification icon to get a notification whenever I upload a video. Also, I do have a blog of my own which I have described in the description below. You can click on the link and join the blog, and I'll give a description of this video on the blog also, so you can read over that. Also, if you want bookish knowledge from me, then do connect me on Instagram, Twitter and my Facebook page. So in this way you can get bookish knowledge from me also. Yes, I do share many things, but okay, I'll be more active and I'll share more so that people can get bookish knowledge from me instead of finding different platforms where they can find the things. So yes, stay connected. See you next week with a book review.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say